In this video, we'll show you how to install mods in GTA 5 Enhanced. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you just installed the enhanced version of GTA 5, which is the new version of it, and you're wondering how to add mods, I'll show you how. Keep in mind that this is only for offline use, so you cannot install this mod and play GTA Online. So for this video, we're gonna install the simple trainer, which is a trainer so you can spawn cars, change weather and stuff like that. And for that, you also need Scripthook V. I'll put the link in the description. So just go here and for simple trainer, click download and then click download again. And the download should start. And then for Scripthook V, hover down and hit download. So after the download is done, you'll have trainer V and then the Scripthook. Now the next step is go to your GTA 5 Enhanced install location. In Epic Games, you go to library and then on GTA 5 Enhanced, hit this 3 dots right here, manage, and then click this folder icon, open install location. If you download the game from Steam, what you do is right click on GTA 5 Enhanced, manage, and then browse local file. Now that you find the GTA 5 Enhanced directory, we're gonna continue and install the mods. First, I'm gonna install the Scripthook V. You can open it up with 7-zip or WinRAR, but I'll just open it with WinRAR. And here for the Scripthook V, open up the bin folder. And here what you need to do is select everything except native trainer ASI because we're gonna install another trainer, so we don't really need it. And just drag or copy this into GTA 5 Enhanced directory, just like that. And let's open up the trainer V now. Okay, for the trainer V, you select everything and drag or copy it into your GTA 5 directory. And that's it, the mods is installed. Alright, before you open the game, because this is for offline use, you have to make sure that you turn off the anti-cheat. On the Rockstar Games Launcher, go to settings and then uncheck the little eye anti-cheat here. Alright, we're inside GTA 5 Enhanced now, and to open the trainer menu, you press F3. You can change this button, I'll show you how. But for now, as you can see, we can do a lot of stuff. We can change the weather, for example, change it to rainy. And yeah, so as I said, to change the keybind to open up or navigate the trainer menu, you go to GTA 5 Enhanced directory again, and then look for trainerv.ini. Open it up with Notepad or any text editor, and here you'll see all the key bindings that will help you to use the mods.